Oh, so you don't have your lunch money, huh? Well, take this. Further note, Dirt Mug keeps beating him up. I ain't gonna be no bystander today, though. Dirt Mug, what's your problem? Remote never did anything that bothered you, but you're just beating him up for fun? So, he's a nerd. I thought you were supposed to be the athletic one. I may be the one who likes running a lot, but that doesn't mean I'm a jerk to everyone like you. You're just as mean as Katana. Hey, I do whatever I want, Lightning, and you're not gonna stop me. Oh, really? Oh, Mr. iPad, you better not. What? Yes, Lightning Bolt? What's going on? Well, a friend of mine named Dirt Mug, not friend, was beating up my good friend's Remote for no reason, just because he wanted lunch money. Yeah, and he also kicked me in the head, saying that I was a nerd. What? Mr. iPad, I can explain. Explains excuses. You just got, a suspension for a whole season, and you're not gonna play for the school sports on next week. Why I oughta Lightning Bolt? If I see you one more time trying to get in my way, you'll be a dead Lightning Bolt. As long, also you Remote, you nerd, you'll die in a grave. Say it to the principal. Thanks, Lightning Bolt. Thanks, Lightning Bolt. Thanks, Lightning Bolt. I really appreciated your help. Also, he ate all the food in my lunchbox an hour ago, so I'm pretty sad. It's okay, you can share my lunchbox with me. Remember, if there's someone bullying you, tell the teacher and help them and don't be a bystander. That's the right thing to do.